Now let us discuss about closure properties of regular languages. Regular languages are closed under union, concatenation, clean closure, complement, intersection and reversal. So let us see the first point, that is union. Regular languages are closed under union. So let L1 and L2 are two regular languages, then L1 union L2 is also a regular language. So if L1 and L2 are two regular languages, then we can say that L1 union L2 is also a regular language. So that's why we can say that regular languages are closed under union property. Let us take an example. Let L1 is equal to A star, any number of A's. Let L2 is equal to B star, any number of B's. Then L1 union L2 is equal to A star union B star. A star union B star. Or in place of this union, we can write plus also. A star plus B star. Any number of A's or any number of B's. So this is also a regular language. So we can say that regular languages are closed under union. If L1 and L2 are two regular languages, then we can say that L1 union L2 is also a regular language. Let us see the second property. The second one is concatenation. If L1 and L2 are two regular languages, then we can say that L1 dot L2 is also a regular language. Dot means concatenation. L1 followed by L2 is also a regular language. So that's why we can say that regular languages are closed under concatenation. Let us take the same example. Let L1 is equal to A star, L2 is equal to B star. Then L1 dot L2 is equal to A star dot B star. So any number of A's followed by any number of B's. So we can say that regular languages are also closed under concatenation. Why? Because if L1 and L2 are two regular languages, then L1 dot L2 is also a regular language. And the third property is clean closure. Third property is clean closure. If L is a regular language, then we can say that L star is also a regular language. Let us take an example for this. Let L is equal to A. Then we can say that L star is equal to A star. So A star is also a regular language. Okay. So we can say that regular languages are closed under clean closure. Why? Because if L is a regular language, then we can say that L star is also a regular language. Now let us see the next three properties. The next property is complement. So next property is complement. If L is a regular language, then we can say that L complement, L bar is also a regular language. Let us take an example. Let L is equal to set of all strings containing 1100 as substring. Set of all string containing 110 as substring. Then L complement will become set of all strings not containing 1100 as substring. So this is a regular language. This L bar, L complement is also a regular language. We can represent this with the help of a finite automata. We can also represent this one with the help of a finite automata. We know what is a regular language. the language which is accepted by finite automata. So we can say that regular languages are closed under complement. Why? Because if L is a regular language, then we can say that L complement is also a regular language. And the next property is intersection. Intersection. So for intersection we need two languages. If L1 and L2 are two regular languages, then we can say that L1 intersection L2 is also a regular language. L1 intersection L2 is also a regular language. Let us take the same example as union and intersection. Let L1 is equal to A star, L2 is equal to B star. Then we can say that L1 intersection L2 is equal to A star intersection B star. Then we will get some result. So that result will also be a regular language. Okay. Let us see the next one, reversal. Reversal. If L is a regular language, then we can say that reverse of that language is denoted by L power R. L power R means reverse of L. So reverse of L is also a regular language. Here for reversal what we have to do is, let us take a finite automata. Let it be that finite automata. Let it be that finite automata. Let apply some input symbols. Input symbols. Reversal of this finite automata means change initial state into the final state and final state into the initial state and reverse the directions. So now this it will becomes the final state. This state will becomes the final state. Let the states are Q0, Q1, Q2. Then what will happen is reversal of this finite automata is this Q0 initial state will becomes final state, whereas Q2 this final state will become initial state. Next in between we have Q1 state. Reverse the directions. Reverse the directions. So 0, this is 1. Here self loop means there is no difference. Okay. So this is also a regular language. This is also a regular language. This is a regular language. This is also a regular language. So we can say that if L is a regular language, then reversal of L denoted by L power R is also a regular language. So reversal means what? Let us construct a finite automata. Reversal of that finite automata will become change initial state to final state and final state to initial state, and reverse the directions. Reverse the directions. Here we have Q0 as the initial state. So let us make this as the final state. Let us make this as the final state. Here Q2 is the final state. Let us make this as the initial state. In between we have Q1 and we need to reverse the directions. We need to reverse the directions. So 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is also a regular language. So regular languages are closed under union property, concatenation property, clean closure property, next complement property, intersection property and reversal property.